Hello, hello! Welcome to the first episode of WheezeyCraft with the Gold Keeper 11. And he has a nice tux. I'm just Alex right now. Say it. Yes. We should probably get some wood and... Why is there a giant stone structure or brick structure or whatever? Is that freaking bedrock? Right here! Look! What the heck? This is a new world, right? What the heck? 1 second, grabbing melons. I'll defend myself with the melons. Defend yourself with the melons. The melons will protect. Oh. Oh dear. Oh my gosh. There's a skeleton! There's a skeleton! There's a skeleton. Punch it! Help! Help! It has armor! It's a stray! Oh my gosh! Help! 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 I'm sorry! Help is after me! Why is it after me? Oh my gosh, why? Kill it with a half a heart! Ah! I'm coming back! Give me my melons! I'm a girl, I need my melons! What the heck? Just go right in front of me and just stand there. What the heck? It looks like it's gonna freaking throw it. And there's a pillar. And ladders. There are shulker boxes up here. There are freaking gold. Nah, red's mine. Red's mine. I'm keeping the red. Pat! Pat's here! Oh my gosh, Pat! Dude, Pat is here. What do you got? What do you... We need to get wood, and we need to get pickaxes so we can take the shulker boxes. As do I. Oh, do you have a map and a boat? Why did you get a Is this because I constantly kill you? Like, the fact that I constantly kill you, is that why you got a shield? Like, I got my pufferfish friend and you got a shield. We need to get pickaxes though. Oh my gosh. We need to go down and get wood. We need to get wood. Maybe we're supposed to write down stuff in it? We need the... I'm confused! This was a new world! Did we go on a cursed world? I didn't type anything into the... into like the spawn thing. Like, I didn't type anything weird. I didn't do nothing! It's not my fault. I blame it on my luck. It's my luck. Where'd you go? I got some wood. Well, hey. Bright side, I mean, like, we can just hang up here for the night. I mean, do you want a wooden sword? Also, you know what? I'm stealing this. And I'm stealing this. Stealing the chest. Stealing the crafting table. Just gonna put that there. I don't need the cocoa beans. Gonna keep the cake in there and the important stuff. I can use it as dye. Well, we're in a jungle biome. Guess we're making a tree house. Oh, what kind of boat do you have? Do you have an acacia as well? I blame it on the fact you're wearing a tux. I like how you look like you're about to go to battle in some kind of like joust, like noble jousting or battle thing. like a party, just a battle broke out in the middle of a party and you're just ready for it. That's what it looks like. Then there's just me, it's like I'm just gonna take a little bit of everything here. You know what? This is freaking me out. You want the TNT, I guess? Yeah, you can... Yeah, that's used for disenchanting and repairing, I think? I don't know, I'm not up to date. Yeah, I'm not exactly up to date. New blocks, building, that's instantly what my mind goes to. Do you think whoever built this, or spawned this, or whatever, do you think they would care if we stole some ladders? We'll need them to get up to... like, if we... Yeah, it is kind of overgrown. Yeah, we'll just leave one side, and we'll just steal... How are the ladders? And let's find a place to actually like settle down at first. Like we can spend the night here. I wasn't even gonna do that because well I guess yeah, that's probably a good idea actually. Ah. Yeah. Good night. Wait, quick question. How does my shirt look on the bed? Like the... Why the fudge? No. Pat, save me. Pat must be kept safe. Well, we have boats and there's the river, so... I hear a zombie. A zomboy. I don't know, maybe I have my mob sounds up or something. I'm not entirely sure, maybe I do. I don't really mess with that, so it's probably like as high as it can go or something. Don't know how I heard it, with the fact that, like, you know, I'm all the way up here, I'm grabbing the ladders, dude. What? There's bamboo, I'm stealing some bamboo scaffolding. right there. Hi. Bye, buddy. Poor cow. Hey, cow. Not for long. God dang it. You're like, hey, iron. Do you need a wooden pickaxe? I think you can only get it with stone pickaxes. I'll put down the crafting tape here. I stole one. There were two. Oh, diorite. It's okay, I guess. I wonder how many people are gonna be like, diorite is horrible, or diorite is great. But that seems to be how most people are with it. To me, it's just... You have to use it for enchanting and such. Nice. Dude, once we get sugarcane, we could totally make a cookie farm. We can live off of cookies. Everyone's childhood dream. Is that I see something white over there. Is that a flower? Is that a panda? It's a panda! Oh my gosh. Skeleton. I just got shot by... It's a brown panda! Oh my gosh, there's a 1 in 1,000 chance that you'll get a brown panda. Oh my gosh. There's a duo of skeletons. There's two. God damn it. Oh my gosh. You harmed the panda! Oh, you fudges! Go away. I'm gonna steal your bones. Wait, why didn't you use your, Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Wait, you wanna see something adorable? Well, one of them rolls around if it has a tongue out. Brown pandas are like super freaking rare. They're like normal pandas. Don't kill it, all you get. Yeah, they're 1 in 1,000 chance of spawning, dude. You are so precious. I will come back for you. Don't crush my hopes and dreams. I know, but I can hope and dream, my friend. I can hope and dream. Oh my god! No, dude. It's following me when I'm holding bamboo. Can't tame them. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I think I might have found where we can start our village. Or house, or follow my name tag, my friend. But right in front of me, a little bit away, but right in front of me, there's a huge expanse of smaller trees, and then there's just two really big ones. Come on, little one. Follow me. Come in. I don't think we have to worry about something spawned in the darkness quite. There's another panda! Oh my gosh! Yes. It's a black one. Is it a mean one? Is it a normal one? Is it a sick one? Is it a worried? It's a normal. Updates come, and I just instantly want to know about the animals and the blocks I can build with. But you can see what I'm... But look. Not red eyes, angry eyes. But like, look, that's like floating, and then we have a perfect little area here. I'm gonna dig a pit to keep them in for now. Yee. Let me just 3 by 3. Oh my gosh, it works? What? Dude! You toss bamboo into a pit and they'll go down to grab the bamboo. Yes, oh my gosh, I have 2 pandas. First day and I have 2 pandas. Okay, sun's starting to go down, so let's find... There's where the big one's trunk is. Eventually I'll make you know, like stairs. Dude, do you know what we should eventually do? Eventually, we should bring some villagers here. Well, it's an eventual, you know. That's true. Making a ladder thing over here. Some villagers or pandas or what? Dude, I wonder if we can do the trick to make them peaceful. Probably not. Where? Where? Oh, 1 second. I'm gonna hopefully not die. I don't see anything. It might be because you might have like better. Oh, there's a melon. There's melons. There's a lot of different things. I like how you just see like random bits of bamboo growing though. But yeah, we got this glitched out floating one here that's just let's see here. Yeah, eventually when we like both have like iron armor or something. Okay, I have made it up here. Now then, what? Not particularly. They're actually within like 100 blocks or something like that. I forgot the exact. Perhaps. Ah. Charcoal. Just gonna. Oh, trap it. We can cure it eventually. Actually, just kill it for now. Kill it, trap it. I don't know. Don't listen to me. I'm sporadic. That's fine. You wanna? You wanna come up here? I suppose. Let's see. Let's do. Slow clap. Insert slow clap. You can just, like, come up where there's the ladder. Because you can't... Yeah, there you go. It's like, might have trouble. Oh, you want to get off that one real quick? My friend? It's fine. So, let's see. Are you up here? Oh. Hi. I'm just gonna put light here so we don't have wake up with like a creeper right there. That would... Yeah, not even gonna. Look right there, my friend. Yes, lots of bamboo. My friend, look. Right here. I I made you a thing where you could. You're just like, why can't I place this? You can kind of see the tower far off in the distance. It's all foggy for me. Little Pat, my precious little Pat. Don't be weirded out or anything. Look in my box. Look at the pufferfish. Do not take the precious. Do not take the precious. There's a skeleton down there. You know, now that I set my spawn point, I bet I can jump down in the water. Oh, I failed. Oh my gosh, you just like exploded. There's the TNT and everything. I'm like too. So like, I somehow got your We're weird, I think. We have issues. Well, I mean, it's WheezeyCraft. I mean, we're supposed to be wheezing. I think this is perfect. Let's see here. So, I have the same number as I did before. It's on top of the trees! It's on top of the trees! I can see your bamboo! And your sticks. Follow my... Where are you? Look where I'm pointing. You can see it. You'll have to cut down a bunch of trees, my friend. Bunch of trees. We need shears for that. Here, I'm gonna have my map open. And let's see. So, let's see. Our main building thing is jungle wood and oak wood. So. Found your melons. Found your melons. Found more melons. Yeah, don't kill Pat. He's my mascot. Pat is my mascot. So I'm questioning how people... I will show you a picture later. He's a beautiful little... So, I'm gonna start a garden later. I'll have to grab some... Nah, you can only tame cats now. Yeah. But, yeah. Hey, look, I found a perfect place for us to, make a mine. Come look. Yeah, come look, I found a perfect place for our mine. Are you just gonna slaughter them? I'm gonna be a vegetarian, that's my challenge. My challenge for myself. I like meat. Gonna grab me. Be like, I shouldn't go over there, but I kinda wanna. But I really shouldn't. Okay, why do I only have 4 cobblestone is my question. I had way more. Hey, Pillager, come here, come here, come here. Here, little buddy, don't mind me, just grabbing these flowers. Fuck! He saw me! It was only one. Ah, you went too close! One. You have the shield, use the shield, I'll go behind you. I need to gather supplies over in these different biomes. Oh, I heard an Enderman. Enderman went into the water. I'm trying to find some sweet berries. There's some stuck in the water and it's beautiful. Dude, you may think this is idiotic, but I'm booking it. Fuck you! Fuck off. I have 1 heart. No, I died. God damn it.
It was at this moment we realized that this was going to take a very, very long time. So let's make it a time lapse because this quite literally took us over 30 minutes to pretty much finally not exactly get all our stuff back, but some of our stuff, and slaughter all of the pillagers. So I hope you enjoy this 6-minute time lapse of us constantly dying. Yay! my friend. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I made it to the top. I'm at the top. I was just saved by the... I have a crossbow. I can snipe them. Dude, I can get you a banner. There's banners hanging off of this. There, I have one, and probably idiotic, but I just... Hey, look, if you can, look up. If you can. I'm not... Hi. Do you want a couple banners? I killed it. I think I might like this crossbow. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get berries because those can act as an automatic defense because they won't walk on them. They're also edible and all that. Also got some potato. I think we might have slaughtered them. We're just both super angry. And Pat, I know. Do you think people would complain if I used commitments to get him in? Do you think they would be pissed or? It's not like, what can I use a pufferfish for? It's not like I'm giving myself diamond armor. I have two. I took two. There's two on each side. Okay, we did kill the people up here. I'm gonna steal the pumpkins off of these two scarecrows that we won't see. We can use them for seeds and we can grow them. Okay. Let's get back home, and do you want to call this an eventful first episode? No, don't kill him! Well, that's it for now, people. Seems like he's gone a little mad. Oh, I was gonna kill it, dang it! Oh my gosh, I forgot you can keep... I suppose. Let us head back to the relative safety. That will be it for now, guys. I honestly hope this wasn't too boring.